Let's now look at building up our relationship between our parent and child components on our schematic drawing in AutoCAD Electrical. We've already placed our relay coil down here. We placed our push button here. Now it's the relay coil we're going to use for the parent-child relationship. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to the schematic tab on the ribbon, go to the icon menu just as if I was going to place another relay. So I'm going to relay contacts like that, and I'm going to select the same relay normally open contact there, that one there. Now a relay contact is obviously different to the relay coil itself, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to click a point over here. Notice I've got snap on, so I can snap nice and easily to the rungs of the wiring ladder there. So I click and it updates and the insert edit child component comes in. So slightly different dialog box this time. But what we've got to do is build up the parent-sibling relationship using this button here. So I'm going to click on parent-sibling and select the component that relates to that relationship, which is going to be down here, my relay coil. I've put a relay contact in. This is my relay coil. When I click there, can you see that the information comes in? So I've got SS, EX is the location, component tag is KF2, and there's my system enabled description information. Now you'll notice there's some cross-referencing and some pins there. You don't need to worry about that, but we've got the information in place. So what I can do now is I can click on OK, and that inserts my contact here. Now if you notice, look, if I zoom in, there's my contact, KF2, system enabled. If I zoom in on the relay coil, KF2, system enabled. So you can see that there's a relationship there already. Now what I would do at this point is make sure that you save the drawing. Now I'm going to save it later on. I'm not going to do it now. I'll do all of that so it's all saved in the work files for you. The next step now is to go into the drawing that we need to build up the parent-child relationship with. So I'm now going to open up this one, IEC Power one-phase drawing. Now the good thing is it's already in the project, so I can just double click on it and it'll open like that, no problem at all. I'm going to zoom in here, just above the error buzzer. Can you see that there? You've got error light and error buzzer, and I'm going to be using this wire here. Now we're going to go into the relay tools again, so we're going to insert another relay, and we're going to insert relay contacts, and we're going to insert another relay normally open contact here. I'm going to place that just there, like that. And I'm going to click and pick the point. And you've got the information there now. So you can see that's component tag KF. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on project, open the project list. So I've got installation, location, component tag. I can click on any of these project buttons. So if I go for installation, for example, and it's the SS family I want, so I OK that. Project here again. And you can see there EX, so location, component tag KF, and I need to find KF2. So there's my KF2 there. So SS, EX, KF2, system enabled, and I OK that. So that puts that information in. There's my component tag KF2. So that is now all in place. And what I'll do now is I'll click on OK. It updates the project for me. And that information is now linked in there. Can you see? So I've got system enabled. If I zoom in, can you see there? SSEXKF2. So what I'll do now, if I go back to parent symbols, what you'll find here is if you look down here now, can you see it's been updated? The information's been updated here. And if I go to here, the information has been updated here as well. So it's all in place, all updated, and all linked. Now the best thing about that is obviously I've got two different drawings there, but I'm linking the information so that whoever is going to construct this circuit knows where things are and know what relates to everything else. That's the benefit of these projects and linking the information together. Those cross-references are very important, obviously, because you want to make sure that the circuit is connected properly.